Hello everyone, and welcome to our 7th tutorial on Microsoft Power App learning. And I'm very excited that we have learned so many things already, all basic controls, some buttons, and we have worked extensively with forms, and we have seen how to edit forms in a very detailed way. In this video I'll be showing you another control using gallery. So this is another important way to show your data, and there is a link between gallery and forms as well. So this is a very much important section, and it will be very helpful if you can recall everything from this video after seeing it, and I will recommend you to practice it as you go. Okay, let's go and to the edit screen. We have our my task screen ready, and here we will be inserting one gallery control from the top. So strange, it is somehow inside something. uh, let's figure out. Okay, because of the window size, it gone on the right. So let's select gallery, and I always prefer this type of gallery, so let's select vertical gallery. Okay, it is also showing you which data source you want to show. I can select task because I want to show data from the task. As soon as you select task, see how it's easy it is, and you can see all the tasks created there. So now you don't want some of the data to show like this. You can control whichever you want to show, and you don't want to show images like this big. Maybe this is this cannot be, this can be image or anything else you want to place. So now let's select the gallery first, and then select fields, as we have selected fields from form editing. And here you can see in fields we have image, title and subtitle. You can choose fields to show whichever you want to show in the title and the subtitle. So in subtitle we can select from drop down. We can select category. As you can see, it is selected and changed already. Now there is another way to control or change things into a gallery. So if you use the field option, you can only select one field per item. So if you want to show more information here, you need to add custom configuration. So in order to do that, suppose you want to show category and as well as you want to show assigned to or status. So let's see. Let's select formula bar, and from there we can add this item dot status, and you can see the status is here. We don't have any space here, so let's add some space here. And to identify what is this, we can write something as string. Now things are more visible. We can also add as many as string as we want. So like this. Now information is more nice. What if we want to add more lines into one data card? So let's select one of the item and we can add level, or we can copy by Control C and paste by Control V. We have another field already. We can move things around very easily by drag and drop. Now on the new field we can basically do things like we can do on other field as well. So here I want to show assign to. Information. As you can see, we can really see change things accordingly. To make things more nicer, we can change some colors here as well from the right pen. We can add some nice color. We can make image bigger. So why this image is like this? So you don't want this image to be here, so you want a nice image. If category is email service, you want email icon should be here. If category is general service, you want another icon should be there. How you can define that? So let's download some image from flat icon. I like this page because it gives you more free icons, and that makes your life much easier and makes your app more lucrative. So let's search for something, email icon, and it can give you so many icons. So let's see which icon, whichever icon you like, you can really select. Okay, this is not free. You can choose free icons because these are free icons, and this will be on the left side icon. I want very small shape so it can load faster. So let's go and see where it is. It's on my downloads. That's fine. Let's see service. Search for service. Any service, like most appropriate icon can be this one or this one. Let's select this one. A nice icon would be the colorful one. So technical support. Oh wow, nice. Now let's go to the design screen, select the image and upload image. Okay, we can see so much image of mine. Let's upload one of the email, and you can see email image on both. Let's add another image, technical support, and you can see technical support on both, but that's not what we want. So let's select the image again, and on the image properties in the formula bar we can use function if. I hope we are all familiar with if function. So this is pretty simple function and very handy function here as well. if the logical test this item dot category equals email service, show me image email, otherwise show me sample image, close it, and you can see the reflection is coming. No, so I want to add more statement, and if this item dot category equals general service, then I will be show me technical support, otherwise what, sample image, means nothing. So now it is reading list information and showing you image as per that. How cool is that? Awesome. Now let's think about want to change as this is your task. You want to control these things and you want to change things. You want to assign it to someone else and want to notify them as well at the same time. What you can do here? You can do a lot. So you can go to extended details, but you have here we don't have it configured yet. As part of gallery, this icon has came. We can delete this icon by just selecting delete button from your keyboard, or you can delete manually by right clicking on it. Instead of that, I want to add a button here. To add a button within the card, you can select any item inside the card, and then from the insert you can select any component you want to add. So from insert I'm selecting button, and it added 2 buttons. As you can see, if you have hundreds of lines in your data store, you will see hundreds of such buttons already added, so you don't have to manually go and add buttons in each line. So now to make it nice, we can resize it. We can make the font simple as 16. We can also remove some borders from outside. We can change its background to something meaningful. In this case, I can say like this. It is too meaningful. Okay, and we can also round its border by 10. How cool is that? Right. So now we have added buttons, but we need to add actions for that buttons. But before that, we need to think about what will happen, what we want actually. If we want to select this button, we may want to see more information, or we want to delete this task. If we want to delete task, we can delete it from here, but if we want to change information, better we go in details of the task, so that it's much easier to actually control things over there. Okay, so let's not focus on that. Right now I am making this button little nice, so I'm making its background transparent, and border should be like 2 and solid, and border will be like this. So its design is nice. Now I want to add a delete button, so let's pick a trash icon. So see, I have not selected any of the card from the gallery, and when I inserted one trash icon, it didn't come as a group. So I'm deleting it again and selecting one of the component in the card, and want to select the trash this time. Now we can see we have got 2 trash, or as many as trash we want. Okay, maybe we can place it here or here, wherever we like. Let's place it here. Okay, so what action will happen if we select the trash? Let's select and write something here. So we can call remove function and this item. Okay, how? Maybe okay, so remove the source or collection. The source is task, and we will be removing this item. That's it. So let's create another sample. Oh, another thing, see what happens. What happened? Everything is bad because the ordering is not corrected. So once we need to be very careful if we have any drop down, if we have any pop-up, we need to be careful about things we are adding on the page are in order. So let's load this page again, so the pop-up will be gone. So I'm selecting the gallery again, on right click, I'm selecting send to back, and this way I have made a proper ordering. Okay, I'm having some issue here, so let's save it now, because it's a web-based development environment. It will give you some of glitches sometime. Doesn't matter, still this is faster environment. So let's refresh our page again on the live demonstration. As we can see, we can add new item here now. So this time I will be selecting workstation service, and we'll see the image function is working. This time this service will show us sample image instead of the other two image we uploaded. Sample item, status submitted. Okay, doesn't matter right now. And we can see this is giving me this. So we don't have any action on the more, but we have action on delete. So if we go and check if the item is created or not, it is created. It is created as, like, let's check if it is created correctly. 251. So now we will be deleting 251 and we'll check in our database as well. So I have deleted 251. At the same time I will refresh this page to see if the 251 is deleted, and it's deleted. So now this is awesome. We have established a control on gallery, and we have seen how conditional statements works, and how to dynamically delete things from the gallery, and as well as add things into gallery. On our next video we will see how we can extend view from the gallery using more icon. Thanks for watching until now.